Alright, we are Nature's Own Food Bakery, and we are observing the table hands. The dough has been kneaded and weighed, and then the table hand will roll and knead, place into the pan. And just close to the table hand we have the guys with the cheese. They grate the cheese with the cheese rolls. This is what, for tennis rolls?
No, this is a pastry.
Oh, this is pastry. Okay, you're making cheese rolls. This is the mixer where all the ingredients goes into the bread before they mix. And these are some of the finished products that are packaged. Nature's Own Food. Even if the packet says taste the money, we really mean taste the honey. And to see some of the finished product coming out from the oven. And this is red hot bread, just made. Buns, coconut buns. Nature's Own Food, fresh baked bread and buns. Some of the pastries. You can see some pint arch. Alright, the mix is in operation. And here's where all the ingredients, the flour, the bread, the bun, everything has been mixed in here and then passed on to the table hands. The table hands are the ones who do all the products.